Wird eine Armatur länger.
If your tap is not used for a long time, the water will remain in the pipes for a very long time. A biofilm can form in this stagnant water through deposits, causing bacteria and germs. To avoid stagnation, automatic flushing can be set for infrared fittings. After a certain time, water will automatically flow to flush the pipes through. First, connect the remote control to the fitting. Under the menu item Configuration and Automatic Rinsing, the automatic rinse can be activated via Activate and OK. Set the runtime with the arrow keys between 30 seconds and 600 seconds. Setting the interval slider with the arrow keys between 4 hours and 80 hours. The interval determines the time interval of the rinses. These settings are then transferred to the fitting by Send. The check mark in the upper right corner of the remote control display indicates that the transfer was successful. In addition, there is an option between Dependent and Usage Independent for automatic rinsing. Usage Dependent rinses the fitting after the set time period after the last use. If I set the interval to 24 hours, the tap rinses exactly 24 hours after the last use. If water is used every day, the automatic flushing does not trigger, which of course saves water. In the case of usage independent, the fitting always rinses after the set time has elapsed. At an interval of 24 hours, for example in a doctor's office, the fitting should always rinse at 6 o'clock, so that no stagnant water is tapped for the patients.